Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing of Louis Vuitton perfume called Attrape Reves, which I believe is a French word for a dream catcher. Such a lovely name for a perfume. Now let's get into it. I'm so excited to open this paper bag as I've been wanting this perfume for so long. I remember asking for samples every time I visited LV store, and I was literally on my last sample when I realized it was time to stop embarrassing myself and go and buy the perfume. All perfumes come in this beautiful paper bag, and they will also include the sample of the perfume you bought to try it out first before opening the seal. This is in case you want to exchange or reimburse, which is very thoughtful of them. No need for that in my case, so I will just go ahead and unwrap the box. The perfume is stored in this round white box made of very firm cardboard, which is going to be very convenient for travel. And here it is, a 100 ml bottle, but it also comes in bigger and smaller sizes. Also, there are no artificial colors added, so this beautiful light pink color is the actual color of the fragrance. Unfortunately, you cannot smell it, but if you like fragrances such as La Vie Est Belle from Lancôme or Miss Dior, the chances are you will fall in love with this one. This scent features cocoa, peony, lychee, patchouli, Turkish rose, ginger and bergamot tones. Great thing about Louis Vuitton perfumes is the fact you can refill them for about 60% of the full price. They will either refill on the spot or sent to nearest store equipped with a perfume fountain. What's your favorite perfume? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.